Hey there, I'm Whitney and I'm excited to explore River Mill with you today. Let's go take a look. This brand new master plan community is built along the Chickahominy River here in Glen Allen, Virginia. Complete with calming river views, an extensive trail system, community park, and top-ranked schools. It is no surprise our townhomes are selling fast. I find that many people choose a townhome over, say, a single-family home for the low maintenance, affordability, and amenities they entail. This is where River Mill shines. Our low maintenance promise means the yard is maintained by the HOA, and gutter cleaning, power washing, maintenance repair, and irrigation. Exterior lighting is all taken care of, and trash pickup is included in your monthly dues too. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check one out. This townhome is the Woodbury Model and features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms at 1,517 square feet. The kitchen comes equipped with gourmet appliances and luxury finishes for the ideal dining and hosting. Throughout the first floor, the open concept floor plan welcomes an abundance of warm natural light. Through the kitchen space is an entryway to the backyard. And before you ask, the answer is yes. The HOA approves a 6-foot white vinyl privacy fence for any furry friends you may have, or to simply enjoy the privacy of your own backyard. Back inside and upstairs, you will find a loft along with 3 bedrooms. The owner suite comes equipped with dual vanity sinks and a spacious shower. There's only more to come in this community, including a state-of-the-art clubhouse and pool in 2021. We invite you to come see for yourself and check out the remaining townhomes left here at River Mill. For more information, please visit HHHunthomes.com, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.